everybody else again, we are back with another video, and welcome to part 3. I haven't really put parts on these videos, but we're back with part 3, and I've been dishing out these videos, and it hasn't even been an hour yet, but we're back with another video here, and actually we're going to go to the main menu, and we're going to be doing actually a mission in this game. Oh, wow, I'm doing a mission? Yeah, I am. I've already completed the game, but we can definitely do some missions. I don't know exactly how I get down to the bottom of some of these missions. But we're here. This is my little workshop. You haven't really seen this before. Yeah, I have to do it every time. I gotta blow up this little, windmill thing. Oh, and yeah, before we start that, if anybody plays Teardown that's watching this video, if they, are just starting up the game, go into the chimney and find the, okay, it sounds a little weird, but find the, golden banana. Like, the golden banana is, a secret item. And it's located right here. I've already got it. It's $600, and that's how you upgrade your weapon. Okay, why can't I turn? There we go. And then when you're done, you can just kind of go back up. I don't know how you get back up. Yeah, it's kind of. Actually, let me see. Before you do anything, guys, let me just check how you get out of here. Do you go here? Oh, I actually don't know how anybody would get out of here. Wait. You would have to have unlocked some of the weapons. Yes, this weapon sucks so much. Oh, I made it perfectly fine. Oh, okay, no. You definitely, I think you can get out. Yes, you can get out. So you jump right here. Yeah, see, these little pigs. You jump here, You get the point. You would blast right through here. So you can get out of here. I just kind of forgot because it's been a little bit since I've played this game. Here we go. So we're out. Now let's blow up this thing. I don't know if you guys want it to be spoiled or just want a little bit of a helping hand. I don't know. We can blow up this stuff, yeah. And this shotgun's on power 5, I think, or kind of like Minecraft. Oh, okay, let's just get this. Blow up. Okay, boom. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna put we gotta put our nitro glitter in down. Nitro glitter in. Come on. Oh my God, place. I can just put a bomb here. Boom! Woo! Look at that. Oh, on the top here. There we go. Yeah, that's down. So let's go actually into the mission thing. Let's just blast our way through here. Yeah, I'll flip. I can't go back. Okay, yep, there we go. Get in here. Gotta have very limited stuff. I usually just blow up everything. But I need to open this door, so. No, I can't open it normally. Don't even ask. No, flip. Come on. Yep, there we go. Okay, now let's just get into this stuff. I've completed all the missions, obviously. Okay, I don't get how you go down. This is so rigged. I want to do the oh God. There's a way you can scroll down here. This is why I can't access any other missions. But wait, I can go into the mission. See, I'm so stupid. What am I doing? Okay, I can go to the villa. Here we go. A speed deal. This is the mission I wanted to do today. Replay side mission. It's actually a pretty fun mission. It doesn't require any. It doesn't require hours and hours of planning to this game. It just takes a little bit of time to load here. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we're on the speed deal. Let's do this stuff. So we're going up. Wow, it's so cool, right? Yeah. Let's just get into this stuff. So I'm pretty sure there is a Lamborghini, a Lambo, somewhere in here. I think it's... I actually forgot where it is. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Can I change the... Oh, of course I can. I can spawn a tornado. That's just not fun. Come on. Boom. Okay, there we go. Get in here. This is like my favorite car. One of them. Come on, open up. There you go. Ah. Let's go. Flip. Okay, let's get into this stuff. I'm not very good at driving. Oh, fire alert. Are you kidding me? Yeah, you're not really supposed to have a jetpack in this stage of the game. But since I'm done. Are you kidding me? Is this really considered a fire alert? Well, anything is a fire alert if it's fire. Is it really that bad? It's so weird. Okay. Yeah, but you're not supposed to have a. I don't even know why. I want to know how long this video is already, but let's just get into this stuff. Come on. I gotta check how long this video is once. That's on 6 minutes. Okay, good. Let's get over here. Come on. In here. And see, I don't think anybody likes watching these long videos. I don't know if they do or not, but I'm gonna start releasing things that people do like. I'm just seeing how people enjoy my content. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, drift that stuff. Crap! I might actually beat my record because I always beat my record sometimes. Obviously, people get better at stuff. Oh, what time did I get? Oh, come on. Oh, you did not. Yep. 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 Yeah. 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 Yeah, game. Thanks. Let's try this again. We're gonna beat this stuff. We're gonna beat it. And you're supposed to get under 20 seconds somehow. Anything under 20 seconds is golden or something. The bottom is where like whatever. But here we go. Come on. Woo! We did it. Boom. Yeah. Let's flip into this stuff. I don't think you can cheat this stuff. Yeah, there's no cheating. But we can't. We actually can cheat, I think. Don't cheat. But if we, yeah, we can drive right through that and get over there. So we can cheat this stuff. Let's do this. Let's actually make a track that is doable for my standards. Here we go. Gotta be able to get through here. Okay, this is rubber. This should not start getting on fire. So this should be good enough. Yeah. And I should be able to go right through here. I don't know if you hear my baby brother in the background, but he is crying. So let's see if we can do it like this. Seriously, there's a fire alert on rubber? It's just rubber. It's not wood. Like, what is wrong with this? Yeah, stop. Yeah, I thought. Let's grab a new car. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Let's just get in here. Oh, that's gonna mess up my car. Oh god, no. Please don't mess up. Wait, what's down here? Oh. Oh, I found a secret. Oh, how am I getting? Oh no. Oh no. That's not what I'm mad about. Oh my. You know? I'm gonna use that car. It's gonna be fun, but I guess not. What the heck is this thing? Oh yeah, I'm gonna win the race with this thing. Okay, now we gotta flip and grab a car. Here we go. Just all flipping and stuff. Okay. Come on. This car is one of my favorite cars. Just because of the way it sounds. It's not that fast, but it definitely gets the job done with some things. It's just the sound. That hurts. Me and the car. Here we go. Let's go. Right here. Come on. Right here. Yeah. You can beat it with a muscle car and also like a slower car. And a driftier car, so it's harder. Okay, no, we're just gonna stop. We're gonna stop. This is where I would rage quit, but I'm not gonna do that because it's a video.